Okay, good morning, everybody. So, yesterday I posted a video on Arbonne's Get Ready in 5 set. So, today I thought I would post a video, kind of like a 10-minute video with some eyeshadows and something a little bit longer on kind of a more dolled up look. So, I'm going to use our makeup primer, our concealer in Fair, our CC cream with the broad spectrum SPF 30 in light, our Got You Covered mineral powder foundation with an SPF 15 in Bisque, our Shape It Up brow pencil in medium. I'm going to use It's All in the Eyes Volume 1 palette. And I'm going to use the Starlight Glow palette, which has the multi-use bronzer, blush, and highlighter in it. And then I'm going to use our Speak Volumes mascara. And I'm going to use our Arbonne lip gloss in Hazel. I used it yesterday and I really like it, so I'm going to use it again. Okay, so let's get started because I only have a couple minutes because my little guy is having a nap. And then I have an appointment right after, so I gotta be quick. So I do like a pump and a bit on my fingers. Make sure your fingers are clean, washed with soap before you start. So I make sure that I have a good amount under my eyes, forehead, chin. This gives your face like a really nice matte feeling to it. It's a really lovely, soft product. And obviously, like, I washed my face with the Age Well cleanser this morning and then did my skincare routine. Sorry, you can see like all my cupping marks from my massage appointment that I had this week. Okay, so I've used our primer, makeup primer, all done. Okay, next I'm going to use our concealer in Fair. Okay, so I put most of this, I just use under my eyes because I have that hyperpigmentation under my eyes. Even when I do get a really good night's sleep, I still have hyperpigmentation. And then I put a little bit under here, and then I do a T like this, and that's how I apply my concealer. And then I use our Arbonne liquid foundation brushes, and then I just do a blend and get a really good blend going. And the primer is so great. It just helps get everything soaked right into the skin, and it gives it a really nice matte look. And I have super oily skin, so that's why I use that primer. And then I blend this in right under my lip. Okay. So now the CC cream. So I put it on the back of my hand right here. And then I just scoop and apply. And then one tip about brushes, one thing that's kind of been going, we have some Facebook groups where we pass tips back and forth between Arbonne consultants. One thing that you should always try and do is after about 5 uses of your brushes, is you should give your brushes a really good clean, whether it be with like soap, or you can take your makeup remover and give your brushes a good cleaning and then wash them with some gentle soap. But make sure your brushes are clean so that you're not constantly putting kind of dirt back into your face, because then you're going to get blemishes or you'll get clogged pores. That's one thing that you just want to try and avoid, especially if, like, I have acne prone skin, so I try and avoid that as much as possible. Something that I'll be 32 in September and I still struggle with it. It's something that I've struggled with since I was like, I think it was like in grade 6 or 7 when it first started. And I just have to be really adamant with keeping my skin clean and making sure that I have a good routine with my skincare. Okay, blended. Pretty good. Easy peasy. And then next we're going to go in with the powder and we're going to seal everything. Easy seal. Okay. There we go. There. And next we're going to go in with the Starlight Glow palette. So you can also use our new blush duos, or you can use our bronzer that we have, which is a beautiful bronzer as well, which is mostly what I've used for the past, I don't even know how many years. I've just used our bronzer. It's a great product and I love it. So I think today I'm just going to use the Moonstone, which is right here. I might do a little bit. Okay, so this is Twilight. This is our bronzer. I might just do a little touch of the bronzer underneath here. This would be kind of something more that I would do if I actually get to go out with my husband for something. Not that we get to go out these days for anything, but a girl can dream, right? Can dream about going out on a date. There. Okay. So again, the Starlight Glow palette. It's a beautiful palette. I love using it. Super easy. Okay, now I'm going to do my brows. So this is our Shape It Up brow pencil in medium. I like the medium because I kind of have a darker root and I have a bit of a darker brow. So I just quickly brush out my brow, and then I start, do a line here up to the crease in my brow, and then I do a small line down, and then I do the other side and I try and mimic it as best I can. Up into the arch, and then down. And then I do a bit of a fill in the front. I want to try and make it look as natural as possible. I don't like a super duper filled in eyebrow. And then I try and fill in this top area here. And then I'll just brush everything out. Okay, and then I mimic on the other side as well, try and fill in as best I can. And then I brush it out. One of my eyebrows does not grow the same as the other, so it's kind of difficult. There, pretty close. Okay, so brow's done. Okay, next I'm going to use, this is It's All in the Eyes Volume 1 palette. It's a really pretty palette. I really, really love it. I like it because it's like more browns and some red tones. So you have a lot of option with it. So I like to start out with the desert right here. And I do this kind of all over the lid. On both sides. If I'm in a super rush and I want to put on just one eyeshadow, I'll just put on this one shadow, and then I'll use the tip of my finger and then just put it on and make it a little bit more concentrated for when I have to go out. And it's really, really pretty. And then it looks like you've done a little bit more in terms of your makeup. So I do that all the way over. And then we're going to make this a little bit more dressed up. I'm going to go in and I'm going to add amber. And I'm going to do this on the full lid. Add it on both sides. Okay. And then in my crease, I'm just going to quickly add in clove onto my crease. Sorry, the chair I'm sitting in is like the squeakiest chair ever. Okay, and then we're going to finish this off quickly with our Speak Volumes mascara. This is a mascara that you can put on. You can just do one coat if you've got to quickly run out the door and you just need to put a little pop on your eyes. Put on one coat and you're good to go. Or you can just totally build it up with as many layers as you want to. It's phenomenal for that as well. And like all of our other products, whether it be nutritional or skincare, cosmetic, baby line, men's line, everything we have is gluten-free and it's vegan friendly. So if that's something that's super important to you, like it is to my family and to myself, you can feel really great about using these products, you guys. And there we go. All done. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and you have a great afternoon. We'll see you next time.